Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing collagen boosting, pore tightening and anti-aging pack that works amazingly well. The surprising base ingredient for this pack is yeast, the same yeast we use for baking bread. Nowadays, yeast is increasingly added to beauty recipes as it is rich in antioxidants and helps boost collagen production. It also reduces acne, makes the skin smooth, helps in cell renewal, and makes the skin look young and glowing. The first ingredient we need for the pack is Multani mitti, also called as fuller's earth. Multani mitti clay is rich in minerals and, like every natural clay, has wonderful absorbent properties. It helps remove impurities, and since it dries up tightly on our skin, it helps tighten large pores along with reducing inflammation well. Some of you messaged me that Multani mitti is very drying on the skin. Since Multani mitti has absorbent properties, it can be drying if used alone. But if you use it like mentioned in this recipe, you will get all the benefit it offers without any side effects at all. The second ingredient we need is yeast. We get two types of yeast in the markets. One is fresh yeast and the other is dry yeast. We can use both for this pack, and in dry yeast, we have active dry yeast and instant rice yeast. I have used active dry yeast for this recipe. The third ingredient we need is milk. Milk is an amazing skin healer. The lactic acid in milk can heal dry skin, sunburn, soothe and reduce inflammation along with hydrating your skin well. I always use organic grass-fed whole milk from a farm for all my beauty treatments, and it works wonders on my dry skin. If you have oily skin, skip milk and use just plain water instead. The final ingredient we need is raw honey. Honey is full of antioxidants, has antibacterial properties, and helps slow down skin aging. It is also extremely soothing and hydrates the skin wonderfully. When buying honey, try to buy raw unprocessed organic raw honey for best results. Most of the popular brands we get in the markets are processed honey and does not have all the benefits of raw organic honey. I will leave the links for buying all the products used in this recipe in the description box below. Take half teaspoon of yeast in a bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of warm milk to it. The milk should not be either too hot nor cold. If it is too hot, it will kill the yeast, and if it is too cold, the yeast won't get activated. Now add in a teaspoon of organic raw honey to it. Yeast feeds on honey and grows, so it is essential that we add honey to the recipe. Now mix well with a spoon to dissolve the yeast completely. We have to let this mixture rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, small bubbles will start forming. Now to the yeast mixture, add around half tablespoon of Multani mitti. Mix well with a spoon to get a smooth mixture. To use, apply this pack all over the face and neck. This pack dries tightly on your skin. You can wash it off once it dries. You'll notice 2 things immediately once you wash off the pack. 1. That your skin is much brighter than before. 2. That your skin is unbelievably smooth and soft. This yeast pack is very gentle on the skin and generally agrees with everyone. Try using this pack weekly twice for best results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.